Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge of Justice. I have come again with a very important and popular topic, maintenance. Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 deals with the order for maintenance of wives, children and parents. Now let's discuss some key provisions. Maintenance. The section empowers the magistrate to order a person to provide maintenance to their wife, children or parents who are unable to maintain themselves. The magistrate has the power to order maintenance after conducting an inquiry and being satisfied that the person is unable to maintain themselves. Amount of maintenance. The magistrate determines the amount of maintenance taking into account the financial capacity of the person liable to pay maintenance. Let's see some important aspects of the maintenance. Interim maintenance. The magistrate can also order interim maintenance during the pendency of the proceedings. Attachment of property. If the person liable to pay maintenance fails to comply with the order, the magistrate can attach the property. Okay, now let us discuss some landmark cases related to maintenance. So the case number 1, Bhagwan Dutt versus Kamala Devi 1975. The Supreme Court held that the magistrate has the power to order maintenance even if the wife is living separately from her husband. The next case is Jagdish Prasad versus State 2001. The Supreme Court held that the magistrate can order maintenance for an illegitimate child. So my dear friends, at the end of this video, section 125 of the CRPC provides a vital safeguard for the maintenance of wives, children and parents who are unable to maintain themselves. This section empowers the magistrate to order maintenance, ensuring that vulnerable individuals receive financial support. So friends, if you like the video, keep watching Knowledge of Justice and stay tuned with us. And any kind of legal advice and consultation in respect of maintenance, you can also contact us. Thank you.